How to delete all your history and data from YouTube. If you want to delete all your activity history and data from YouTube, click on the YouTube app. Then click on your profile at the lower right corner. Then click on the settings at the top right. Now click on Manage All History. I'm gonna click on it. Now here you'll find all your YouTube history, all the videos that you've watched, and including the ads. It even shows which ads you have watched. So click on the delete button. Now you can choose to delete the data from today or a specific day, but if you want to delete your data from all time history, so just click on the last option, delete all time. This will delete your data from all the history from your YouTube. That's all for the video, and thanks for watching.